Hello everyone, myself Maruti, welcoming you all to my channel Ram Maruti Tutorials. Right, in this channel I have been placing both math and science videos. Now it's turn for me to get back to the basics. Right, a basic sum, of course, basic sums means we deal with four concepts: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the four foundation or whatever it might be. These are the pillars of mathematics. Okay, these four, if you mess up with these concepts like addition and subtraction, we may be messing up with the bigger sums. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain you the basic concepts of addition and subtraction. Right, in my earlier video I have already discussed with you, right, what is the logic behind the same signs addition and different signs. Right, same signs, S, same signs, sum them and keep the same sign. For DDB, if two numbers are having different signs, find the difference between both the numbers and keep the bigger number sign. That's the foundation for that. Now I'm building up a little bit higher. That is addition and subtraction. The concept is addition and subtraction dealing with integers. Yes, we are dealing with integers. Now what's this integers? As you all know, integer is nothing but when we are dealing with integers, you are supposed to remember integer consists of two levels. Of course, if you take the entire stuff of the integers, it's nothing but it starts from negative infinity and so on. It goes on till -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and it goes on till plus infinity. These are nothing but the integers. These integers, as you all know, out of these integers, we are dividing, we are classifying all these numbers comes under z minus, or we can call it as I minus also. This is the set of numbers. We call it as negative integers. In this one, if you come back to if you come back to this, these are nothing but positive integers, right? Z plus or I plus. So these are the negative integers and these are the positive integers. So negative integers, positive integers and the other one 0, all together we represent this with a Z or capital I. All these are nothing but the integers. Now what is the stuff what we are going to discuss in this video? Right, it is nothing but addition and subtraction of numbers involving with the integers. Let me, that is the concept what we are discussing, addition and subtraction of the numbers involving this, of integers. This is the concept what we are going to discuss now. So let me come out, let me show you a number in a sum in which where we are getting out of this one. Let us come to this one. If I take a number like this, -1, right, +3, -6, it's okay, till here it's fine, plus I say -6 here, right? You can check it out here. Everything went on normally, -1, +3, -6, till here no issues. We can apply the logic what I have said earlier. But now if you check it out, here comes a tricky part. Right. So what is this? A plus sign at the back of the parenthesis or the bracket, a minus sign in front of the parenthesis. What we are supposed to do in this case? This is nothing but the tricky part, which is nothing but multiplication of the signs. Right here, the remaining all, it's very simple. But here comes the tricky part. What we are supposed to? Are we multiplying the numbers? No, we are not at all multiplying the numbers. We are multiplying only the signs here. Okay, let me come out with one more example here. Something like -4 plus, right, again here I am dealing with -6. The same thing. Or I will come out with one more one. So -3 minus of -1. Okay, now you check it out. There. Here, the tricky part is here now. Right? And here also the tricky part. Okay, so see here, what we are supposed to do this and what we are supposed to do this, right? They are having different signs. Here, right here they are having same signs, and here we are having different signs. Here also we are having different signs. Here what we are doing, so what is the meaning of that? Let us come to the meaning here. Right, let us come to the meaning of that, right? I like to tell you here clearly, that is, whenever we come across with parenthesis or brackets, right, whenever we come across this cross, whenever we come across with a dot, right, so all these things, whenever we come across all those things, we have to remember, we are supposed to do multiplication. Multiplication of what? Here, in this sense, we are multiplication of signs. We are doing multiplication of the signs. You have to remember. For that one, let me come out with a few concepts. So, what are the things what we are having in different setups what we have? What kind be the setup? Just now, if you see, what are the different setups? We'll be having setup like this. A minus and a plus, right? What is going on? It's nothing but, as I said, it's nothing but into. Okay, what do you do if the situation is like this, right? In the same way, let us go for one more situation. Plus and a minus, again, in between, a multiplication sign is there. Okay, so shall I say what we are doing? We are multiplying different signs. In both these cases, what we are doing? Multiplication of different signs. Right? It is nothing but the multiplication of different signs here. This is one of the setup. Okay, right. What we are supposed to do if the setup is like that? Now, let me go for one more setup. Right? One more setup will be going. Right? What is the setup here? A minus sign and a minus sign, same signs. Again, a plus sign and a plus sign, same signs. But here, we are having again multiplication in between. So, what we are doing here, it is nothing but multiplication of, what is that? Same signs. What we are supposed to do when we get the same signs, right? So, here comes the tricky part. You have to remember, okay, the only thing what we are supposed to remember is, when we are having different signs, when multiplication is done between different signs, वेरे साइन లని मल्टीप्लाई చేసినప్పుడు अलग-अलग साइनों को अपन मल्टीप्लिकेशन करें तो अपन याद रखेंगे अपन विल बी गेटिंग माइनस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस वन వేరే సైన్ లని మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మనకి మైనస్ వస్తుంది ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే సేమ్ సైన్స్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఇఫ్ యు మల్టిప్లై సేమ్ సైన్స్ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ప్లస్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్ యు హావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ right whenever we are multiplying different signs we'll be getting minus right whenever we are multiplying same signs we'll be getting plus right this is what we have to remember right this is what we are supposed to remember okay so for that one let us do few sums now let me do few sums I'll be dealing with few examples here see here -4 okay plus minus 3 here comes the sum okay how do you know it is multiplication yes see the sign here it is nothing but multiplication that's what I said here it is nothing but minus right now if you check it out let us take these two signs plus and a minus okay just now I said are they same signs or different signs different signs. If we are having different signs, what we are getting? We are getting minus. You have to remember, the remaining all we keep in the same way. The remaining all, keep it in the same way. It's nothing but -4 here, plus into minus, different signs, plus into minus, what we should get? Minus. Okay, now simply use the logic. S, same signs, sum them and keep the same sign. When they are having same signs, sum them and keep the same signs, -8. This is the first sum what I am explaining you. Okay, now let's come back to one more sum now. Let us go for example, one more example here, right? Let us use one more sum for you now. So what I'm doing, so minus 6 minus of minus 3. See here. Okay, Nana, how do you know? See here, both the signs. బ్రాకెట్ ఇటు సైడ్ ఒక మైనస్ ఉంది, బ్రాకెట్ అటు సైడ్ ఒక మైనस ఉంది, మధ్యలో నీకేమీ నెంబర్ లేదు. वी डोंट हैव एनी नंबर, बीच में कौन सा भी नंबर नहीं है. ब्रैकेट के पीछे एक साइन है, ब्रैकेट के सामने एक साइन है. सो वी आर कितने साइन है अपन को? 2 साइन है. वो सेम साइन है या अलग साइन है? देखिए, डू यू हैव सेम साइंस और डिफरेंट साइंस? माइनस एंड माइनस मींस वी आर if you are having same signs, what we are supposed to keep? You have to keep plus there. You have to remember that one. So it is nothing but minus 6 minus into minus, it's a plus, and it's nothing but 3. Okay, now if you check it out, we don't have any integers now. Here simply no multiplication sign. So now what we are having? We are applying DDB, means they are having different signs. फाइंड द डिफरेंस. పెద్ద నెంబర్ నుంచి చిన్న నెంబర్ తీసేద్దాం, बड़ा नंबर में से छोटा नंबर निकालेंगे. 6 में से 3 निकाले तो वी आर गेटिंग 3. एंड कौन सा साइन? बड़े नंबर का साइन, పెద్ద దాని సైన్ పెట్టాలా. Okay, you got it. So that's what I'm saying, gentlemen. Whenever we are having a bracket in between, this is the process what we are going. So let's come back on with one more example now. Example 3. Okay, let's go. Minus 4 plus minus 2. Okay, now are we going to multiply here? How do you say that it is multiplication of the signs here? By seeing this one. It is nothing but multiplication. At the back side we are having one sign, and the front we are having one side. There is no number involved. So are they same signs or different signs? What is the setup? They are of different signs. If they are different signs, what we are going to get? Minus. Therefore, here as usual minus 4 plus into minus, minus 2. Of course, as they are of same signs, sum them and keep the same sign. It is nothing but minus 6. Okay, let's go for the last sum of this video now. Right, example 4. Right, I like to do minus 7 minus of minus 6. Okay, now minus 7 minus into minus, it's plus, and it's plus 6, and we are applying the formula DDB. Different signs, find the difference and keep the bigger number sign. So it's nothing but minus 1. Okay guys, let me recall you once again. We are dealing with addition and subtraction with integers and multiplication of the signs, not the multiplication of the numbers. How do you know it is whether multiplication of the signs or multiplication of the numbers? Right? Yes, if you have a bracket, at the back side we'll be having one sign and the front side we will be having one sign. Then we are going to multiply only the signs, not the numbers. Bracket undi, బ్రాకెట్ వెనకాల ఒక సైన్, బ్రాకెట్ ముందు ఒక సైన్ ఉండి మధ్యలో నెంబర్లు లేకపోతే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ బ్రాకెట్ కి ముందెనక వెనకాల ఒక్కొక్క సైన్ ఉంటే ఓన్లీ సైన్లు మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, నెంబర్లు కాదు. పాయింట్ 1. పాయింట్ 2, సెటప్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? వేరే వేరే సైన్లు ఉన్నప్పుడు మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు నీకు మైనస్ వస్తుంది. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ సైన్స్ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ మైనస్. రైట్, సేమ్ సైన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు బ్రాకెట్ వెనకాల మైనస్, బ్రాకెట్ ముందు మైనస్, బ్రాకెట్ వెనకాల ప్లస్, బ్రాకెట్ కి ముందు ప్లస్, సేమ్ సైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సెటప్ కనుక ఇలా ఉంటే, సేమ్ సైన్లు ఉంటే కనుక నీకు మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దిస్ వన్. Same signs multiplications will be getting plus, different signs multiplication will be getting minus. And I have explained you. See the setup here. Bracket enakala oka sign, bracket mundu oka sign. Appudu different signs minus, same signs plus. Okay, guys, hope you are able to understand the concept of what I have said, and let's do the basics perfectly to build up the bigger sums. Thank you. Maruti signing off from Ram Maruti Tutorials. If you like the channel, please share and subscribe.